I have never in my lifetime seen upwards of 10 to 11% hydrogen in the mud flowing out of the well. So usually those measure percentages of percentages. So that is quite encouraging.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Helix Exploration CEO, Bo Sears. Bo, you're out with an operational update on the Clink 1 well at your Ingomar Dome project in Montana. Overall, pleased with what you've uncovered, though you have encountered a minor setback, haven't you?
Thanks, Stephen. Yes, we are very excited about what we found at Ingomar Dome. All of the horizons we have pursued thus far have shown incredible showings of helium and hydrogen, in fact. So we're very, very pleased.
So take us through the setback. So this is about the Mowry Shale wellbore, isn't it?
That's correct. It's a we have found a great well, just a minor setback in the shallow section of the wellbore called the Mowry Shale, which is proving problematic a bit. So we need to come back in there and case that off before we go in there and test the well.
So take us through the process of casing that off and when drilling could then resume.
So the Mowry, we have to come in there with 7-inch casing and basically shut it off so that we can continue down the hole in order to get good wireline logs and get a good flow test.
Okay, and this is really limited to the Mowry Shale, isn't it? So you haven't detected this in any of the other well bores.
It's the only issue we have seen in this entire wellbore. Is completely unexpected, but nothing insurmountable thus far. We believe that we can get this under control in short order.
So take us through the showings of helium and hydrogen, because you do note that the hydrogen grades increased towards total depth. So is that a positive signal?
That is an extremely positive signal. I have never in my lifetime seen upwards of 10 to 11% hydrogen in the mud flowing out of the well. So usually those measure percentages of percentages. So that is quite encouraging.
And you do remain fully funded for operations, Bo?
Fully funded. We are completely fully funded for these additional operations and the Rudyard operations coming forward.
So is that the plan still to move on to that appraisal well at Rudyard when you're finished with Clink 1?
That is correct.
Well, Bo, I hope you'll keep us posted on any progress. Thank you very much for the update today.
Thank you, Stephen.